The shrill, piercing shriek from your vehicle's brakes often signals an immediate concern. This common auditory distress raises a fundamental question: is it merely an annoyance, or a harbinger of catastrophic failure? Today, we dissect the mechanics behind brake squeal and the critical, potentially fatal, implications of compromised braking performance through a series of true or false challenges. Our first challenge: true or false, brake squeal is always a sign of a severe problem requiring immediate repair. False. While squeal warrants investigation, its severity varies. The physics of brake squeal involves high-frequency vibration. When the brake pad material rubs against the rotor, friction generates kinetic energy, converting it into heat and sound. This sound, specifically squealing, arises from a stick-slip phenomenon, where the pad and rotor rapidly oscillate between sticking and slipping. This interaction creates a resonant frequency within the brake assembly. True or false, the primary cause of brake squeal is solely worn-out brake pads. False. While worn pads can certainly contribute, the vibration originates from multiple points, often including the caliper, its mounting, and even the wheel bearing. The critical factor is resonance, where a component vibrates at its natural frequency, amplifying the sound. Engineers design brake systems to dampen these vibrations. True or false, all vibrations within the brake system are detrimental and indicate a fault. This is false. Controlled vibration is inherent to friction. The issue arises when specific components resonate in an undesirable frequency range. The brake assembly consists of the rotor, caliper, and brake pads. The caliper houses pistons that press the pads against the rotor, generating friction. Understanding their individual roles is key to diagnosing noise. True or false, brake rotors are designed to be perfectly flat and smooth, with any surface imperfection causing squeal. False. Rotors are designed with specific tolerances. However, slight variations in thickness or surface irregularities, known as DTV or disc thickness variation, can induce vibrations. Pad material composition also plays a significant role. Different compounds, from semi-metallic to ceramic, offer varied friction coefficients and noise characteristics. True or false, ceramic brake pads inherently eliminate all brake noise due to their advanced material properties. False. While ceramic pads are generally quieter and produce less dust, they are not immune to squealing. Their performance depends heavily on proper installation, bedding in, and the overall condition of the brake system. Glazing, a hardening of the pad's surface due to excessive heat, can also reduce friction effectiveness and promote noise. True or false, glazed brake pads signify a permanent defect, requiring immediate replacement. Not necessarily. Glazing often indicates improper braking procedures or aggressive driving habits. Sometimes, simply scuffing the pad's surface with sandpaper can resolve the issue, though replacement is often prudent if severe. Caliper issues, like sticking pistons or seized guide pins, prevent the pads from retracting properly, leading to continuous light contact and noise. True or false, caliper sticking only results in uneven pad wear, not noise. False. A sticking caliper can cause constant friction, overheating, premature wear, and indeed, persistent squealing. To mitigate these noises, manufacturers often incorporate anti-squeal shims and specialized lubricants. Shims act as dampers, absorbing vibrations before they can amplify. True or false, applying copious amounts of anti-squeal grease guarantees a silent brake operation. False. Excessive grease can attract dirt and debris, potentially worsening the problem or interfering with brake function. The proper application and type of lubricant are crucial. Equally vital is the bedding-in process for new pads and rotors. This procedure gradually transfers a layer of pad material onto the rotor surface, optimizing friction and minimizing noise. True or false, skipping the bedding-in process for new brakes has no long-term consequences. False. Skipping this step can lead to premature wear, reduced braking efficiency, and persistent noise. Environmental factors also influence brake performance. Moisture, cold temperatures, or even fine dust can cause temporary squeal. True or false, Temporary brake squeal after rain indicates a serious, underlying brake system failure. This is false. Water temporarily alters the friction characteristics between the pad and rotor, causing superficial noise until the components dry out. Similarly, cold weather can stiffen pad material, leading to initial noise. Driving habits are also a factor. Consistently gentle braking can prevent proper pad wear, leading to glazing and squeal. True or false, aggressive, hard braking is the primary cause of brake squeal. False. While extremely hard braking can contribute to overheating and glazing, it is not the sole or primary cause of typical squeal. What is genuinely dangerous, potentially fatal, extends beyond simple noise. Consider a soft or spongy brake pedal. This symptom often indicates air in the hydraulic lines or a failing master cylinder. True or false, a soft brake pedal is always a symptom of air in the brake fluid lines. False. While air is a common culprit, a soft pedal can also signal a failing master cylinder, brake fluid leaks, or worn caliper seals. These issues directly compromise braking force. Another critical and life-threatening condition is brake fade, where repeated or prolonged braking causes the brakes to lose effectiveness due to excessive heat. True or false, brake fade is primarily an issue for race cars, not everyday vehicles. False. Brake fade can occur in any vehicle under demanding conditions, such as driving down long, steep grades or towing heavy loads without proper engine braking. Modern vehicles incorporate advanced systems like anti-lock braking systems, ABS, and electronic stability control, ESC, to enhance safety, but even these systems have limitations. True or false, ABS guarantees a shorter stopping distance in all conditions. False. ABS prevents wheel lockup, maintaining steerability, but it does not always guarantee the shortest stopping distance, especially on loose surfaces. The complex interplay of components, materials, and driving conditions defines brake performance. Understanding these mechanics, rather than dismissing warning signs as mere nuisances, is crucial. Ignoring persistent brake noise, a soft pedal, or reduced braking power are not options. They are invitations to potentially fatal accidents. A professional inspection ensures your safety and the integrity of your braking system.